Welcome, Rhett Oudkerk. You're in a wonderful position because your company is, well, going for great business with one of the cryptocurrencies called EOS, which is a very special one because they don't have proof of work, they have proof of stake.
And that's delegated proof of stake.
Yeah, that's a complicated matter because it's a different way of working. Can you first explain what is the difference?
Well, there's a couple of differences. The most important one is, of course, that you don't use millions of computers, but you need just a few. In delegated proof of stake, as EOS uses, we use 21 block producers and a bunch of standby block producers. So when there's a DDoS attack or somebody is upgrading their systems, then somebody else takes over. There will be around 100 standby and 20 really production block producing.
And how does it work? How do you become a delegate?
We EOS Amsterdam, we hope to be a block producer, and you become one if somebody votes for you. And
the voting is based on popularity or the amount of money you put into the project?
Yeah, the voting, of course, is a marketing thing. There's people that set up a token separately for it. EOS DAC did that. But the majority of people vote because they think it's a technically good qualified block producer.
Yeah.
And you need to have your security in place, you need to have a 7 days a week, 24 hours a day operation. We have a lawyer in our team as well, so we have I think we have a good candidacy.
Yeah.
We're now valued between 5th and 20th place.
Yeah.
So, but we don't know yet because the voting didn't start.
When does the voting start?
We are now, the ICO is finished a couple of days ago. Today it's 27, and
it's
7
7
June. Sorry, it's 7 June, and so the network will be live in a few days. It's security tested right now, and then the voting starts.
Yeah, but you're going to be proof of stake for EOS, I have to say. What makes EOS such a specific good coin?
It's a token. It's a token.
A token.
It's a token. If you have EOS, you can, as a dApp developer, use EOS as a platform. Basically, if you bring it down to the essence, what it is a blockchain operating system. So it's meant for application developers to build on a blockchain without knowing anything about the blockchain.
Yeah.
The fees are free, which is a huge advantage to other platforms. In program languages, you can use C++. It's free. There's basically it solves
a lot of problems.
Almost every problem other blockchains have. More user friendliness, security with regards to your token. If you lose your password,
very high standard security.
Yes,
because that's always the discussion with a lot of systems.
Yeah.
Some people say Bitcoin is safe and the rest is not.
Well, it's safe if you don't lose your key. And this is just a save. Yes, it's a different mechanism, but I think it will, in the end, will prove to be the same level of security.
In your opinion, EOS is going to be, obviously, because you're involved in it, EOS is going to be a very big, major token.
Yes, I mean they raised $4 billion.
Which is a record, right?
Which is the highest number we have up to so far. They will use that to give away to other venture capital firms if they add money to it as well. So that number is at least being doubled. And they will build all kinds of new applications. And there's already over 1,000 organizations developing on top of EOS. So I think will be a very
Sky's the limit.
Yeah, it will be a very huge platform. I think this will be the biggest. This will be the new Google, the new Amazon, AWS for the future.
When do you know you're going to be the delegate, the validator, whatever?
Yeah, as soon as the network is live, the voting starts, and then the only function you can do on the network is vote for delegates, vote for block producers. And as soon as 15% of the votes is casted, then the network has more functions and then it's really live. So, and then the voting, it's continuously voting. So every 120 seconds
There's going to be a vote.
Is a new result.
Is a new result. Okay.
Is a new result. So you have
new
to be,
balance.
yeah, you have to be on top all the time. You have to provide quality services. I expect that additionally proxy voting will happen. So as soon as your node is down, in the next round you're not there until they recognize you're up again, and then they change it again. So
well, exciting times, right?
Very exciting time.
Thanks
Even
a lot.
goosebumps from launching the chain.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.